Using Allen key number 2, remove the 4 screws from the side panel. With Allen key number 3, unscrew the bolts. Use the L-shaped socket wrench to partially loosen the screws. Use the track wrench to loosen the screws until the track can be detached. Using both hands, press inward from both sides to slacken the track. For easier removal, start detaching the track from the rear wheel. Take off the driven wheel bearing and replace it with a new one. Then, reassemble the driven wheel with the newly replaced bearing.